welcome back to our kitchen. I'm Michelle with Alaska Rural Homestead. Today I am sharing a favorite with you that I use on my ham, and it's my holiday ham glaze made with our own honey from our hives and our own home raised ham. So you're gonna go ahead and bake your ham just like you would normally. Remove the majority of the fat from your ham. Okay, so this ham has already been baking. I've removed most of the liquid. And so for this basting recipe, you're going to need 1 1/4 cups of fresh orange juice. You're going to need 1 cup of raw, pure honey. Now we're going to start blending it up as you're adding your honey. Alright, now once you have it blended, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of cloves. You could also use whole cloves or just ground cloves like I normally do. So 1 teaspoon of ground cloves. This is really a simple recipe and it tastes really amazing on your ham. Now you're going to need 1 teaspoon also of allspice. Now once you have that put in there, you're just going to get this mixed up really good. You're going to start basting every 10 to 15 minutes of the last 45 minutes of your bake time. Okay, so that looks nice and mixed up. So I'm just going to pour this over my ham. Alright, so we got the mixture put on our ham. Now, is what you're going to do is you're just going to bake this like you normally would. You don't want to cover it or anything. You want it to get brown and you want those flavors to absorb into your ham. So you just start basting every 10 to 15 minutes for roughly about 45 minutes until it's lightly browned. So we're going to put this back in the oven. Now we're going to put it back in the oven again.
Hey, welcome back to Alaska Rural Homestead. As you can tell, I do some cooking too, and I could not pass up the opportunity to baste this beautiful ham that my loving wife has made. Let me tell you, look at that golden brown that's there. It's awesome. I can't wait to taste this. You know what's even better? Ham sandwiches later. Ooh, yeah. So, anyways, here's me basting, being domesticated. Shh, don't tell anybody.
Alright guys, guys, so we just pulled the ham out of the oven, and it not only looks and smells amazing, but you could only imagine how it's gonna taste. And the recipe will be down below in this video, so don't forget to check that out. And if you guys have not subscribed to our channel yet, please do so. And don't forget to hit that bell and like our channel.